Leo is the most confident lion in the jungle, always thinking he's the king because of his big mane and loud roar. One day he tries to show off with a huge roar, but instead of being impressed, a cheeky monkey laughs at him. Determined, Leo continues on. But when a parrot challenges him, he fails again, feeling embarrassed. Later, a rhino suggests Leo take a break, but Leo tries to roar again, only to squeak. Frustrated, Leo realizes that being a king isn't about scaring others, but about caring for them. He learns that true leadership comes from kindness and looking out for everyone. With this new wisdom, Leo feels happier and finally understands what it means to be a real king.